Hello, this is Connie from Vibing Adventures with the Harrises. I brought some foldable, stackable like trays to go into our RV cupcake because our closets, they didn't come with a rod, and we brought some retractable rods, but they didn't fit. So I'm gonna try these trays to see how they work, or these shelves to see how they work, and I'm gonna open them up and let you see what they look like. They came in this box right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, so the trays, the shelves came like this. They open up. 5 came in a box. You can get them in 3s, 4s, or 5s, and I got 5 because Sam needs some on his side also. So they go in and they just open up. They open up. So we're gonna take them to Cupcake and show you how they fit. Just let me show you. This is hard to do. Let me show you, it's hard to do with one hand, what it looks like so you guys can see. They open up like that. And so they would go in like this. Okay. And then this goes up if you want it to. You don't have to have it up. So we're going to put those in the closet, and then we can put our clothes in here. And then they're stackable, so you can add on top. Okay? So when we get to Cupcake, I will show you guys what that is going to look like. Okay, see you later. All right, hello everyone. So we're going to get ready to install these into the closet in Cupcake and see how it does. Follow me. Alright, in the previous video I showed you how it looks. So we're gonna see how it goes in here. See, this is how the closet looks. Goes back. Alright. Let's see. So it fits in there. Okay, it fits.
Almost perfect.
I gotta go back there. Make it snap. So they snap together like that. And this part gives you more support. So that is perfect. And they are stackable. So let me see if I can put it in already done, which I should be able to. Hey, boo. Oh, that's my grandson. That's Elijah.
I'm going to try to stack 3 or 2.
Okay, so you see, I can't put it in. Oh, yes, I can. I go sideways, though. So, oh, okay, good. Good for support. Very nice. Now, I don't think 3 can fit. Maybe. Let's see if 3 can fit. Yes, Elijah? Yes. The cat got your tongue?
Yeah.
Oh, it do?
This looks different.
Oh, it does?
Would it look different in the summertime?
Yes.
Okay.
I'll stick with 2.
Second 2.
Yeah, 2 for now.
2 for now.
So that's how we're going to put clothes in there. So that's good, I think. What you think, dear?
Look good to me.
Yep. So, All right, so that's what it looks like. And this is Elijah. Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye and adventures with the Harrises.
Bye and adventures with the Harrises.
All right, so, we are getting ready to go to Atwood, Ohio to the Adventure Bandits Glamp Out. So we're gonna be preparing, getting ready for that. And so we'll bring you more videos as we get prepared. All right, see you next time.
Like,
share, and subscribe. Say it again.
Like, share, and subscribe.
See you next time. Say bye.
Bye.
yes, and as you can see, we were able to get 3 in there. Just have to fold it down, put it in, and then open it up, and there you go. It's all good.
And they come in a set of 3, 4, or 5. So I couldn't get 6, so we just need 1 more for Sam's side.
So you got this off Amazon?
Yeah, I got it off Amazon. So, yep, 1 more, and we'll be good.
And we will put a link in the description if you want to order some. Peace.
All right.